So this is one of the challenging problems which are frequently asked in many examinations. So we will today try to understand how we can solve this kind of questions. So here we are given x plus xy plus y equals 142, and x and y belongs to natural numbers. So natural numbers are the numbers starting with 1, then the next is 2, then 3, and so onwards up to infinity. So here we have to find the value of x times y. So for that we must know the value of x and the value of y. So let us see how we are going to solve this question. So let us note down the question as it is. So x plus xy plus y equals 142. Now we can see that in the first two terms, x is common. So we can take it outside. So we will be left with 1 plus y, and then y equals 142. Now let us add 1 to both sides. So this will be x times 1 plus y plus, this can be written as 1 plus y equals 143. Now 1 plus y can be taken as common, and we will get 1 plus y outside multiplied with x plus 1 equals 143. So now we have two numbers, one box, and this is the second box. Inside this box we will have two numbers. When they are multiplied, the product is 143. So let us see what are the possible numbers multiplying which we get 143. So 143 is equal to product of 1 and 143 itself, or 143 multiplied with 1. Also, if we multiply 11 and 13, we will get 143, or 13 times 11 is 143. So it is given that x and y are natural numbers. So the minimum value of x and y is 1. So if we substitute 1 here, then this will be 1 plus 1, 2. So the minimum value in this box can be 2 or greater than 2. Likewise, if we substitute in place of x 1, so this will be 2. So inside this box, the minimum value can be 2 or greater than 2. So we see here the first option we have to reject, because here the number is, but inside the boxes the minimum number that can be accommodated is 2 or greater than 2. Likewise, the second option is also eliminated for the same reason. Now we have two possible cases. So here it is given as first box multiplied with second box equals 143. So inside first box let us take 11, and in the second box let us take 13. So the first box represents 1 plus y, and the second box is x plus 1. So we can substitute here. 1 plus y equals 11. So subtracting 1 from both sides, so y equal to 10. Likewise, we can write x plus 1 equals 13. Subtracting 1 from both sides, so x equals 12. So one possible value of x and y is x equal to 12 and y equal to 10. Now let us justify our answer. Let us substitute 12 here. X equal to 12. Now 12 times y is 10 plus 10. So this middle term will be 120 plus 10 130, and plus 12 is 142. So it is equal to 142. Hence this is a correct answer. Likewise, we just saw this as one possibility. Another possibility is this is the first box multiplied with second box equals 143. In place of first box we can substitute 13, and in the second box we can substitute 11. And this first box represents 1 plus y, and second box is x plus 1. So here 1 plus y equals 13. Let us subtract 1 from both sides, so y will be 12. Likewise, x plus 1 equals 11. Subtracting 1 from both sides, so x equal to 10. So another possible answer is x equal to 10 and y equal to 12. So we will justify this answer also. So in place of x, let us substitute 10. So here this will be 10 plus 10 times y is 12 plus 12. So the middle term will be 120 plus 10, 130 plus 12 is 142. So here there will be two possible answers and they are given here. So if you like this video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And also wait, I have a question for you. So this is a homework question to you. So you have to write your answer in the comment box. Thank you.